How might the future of finance look and the role blockchain might play in it? Well, let's take a moment to explore this fascinating subject. Currently, our financial systems are built on traditional models, anchored by central banks and a web of intermediaries like brokers, custodians, and clearinghouses. These systems have served us well, but they are not without their flaws. They can be slow, inefficient, and vulnerable to fraud. Enter blockchain, a technology that promises to revolutionize not just finance, but a myriad of industries. Blockchain was first outlined back in 1991 by Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta. However, it wasn't until 2009, with the advent of Bitcoin, that blockchain technology truly came into the spotlight. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger, a decentralized database shared across a network of computers. This technology underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential extends far beyond digital money. Imagine a world where financial transactions are transparent, secure, and almost instantaneous, where intermediaries are replaced by smart contracts, and where data integrity is guaranteed by design. That's the promise of blockchain technology. It can make our financial systems more efficient, more secure, and more democratic. Blockchain has the potential to disrupt traditional banking, asset management, and even regulatory systems, paving the way for a new financial landscape. But like any technology, blockchain is not a silver bullet. It comes with its own set of challenges and vulnerabilities. Yet its potential is undeniable. It's a technology that has the power to redefine our understanding of finance, to reshape the way we transact, invest, and save. As we delve deeper into this topic, keep this question in mind. Could blockchain be the next big revolution in finance? So, what exactly is this blockchain we keep hearing about? Let's take a moment to unravel this mystery. At its core, blockchain is like a digital ledger, but not just any ledger. Picture a ledger that's spread across numerous computers all over the world, each one holding a copy of this ledger. That's the essence of blockchain's decentralization. It's not controlled by any single entity or institution, and this is one of its key strengths. Now let's talk about how transactions happen on a blockchain. Imagine you want to transfer some digital currency to a friend. This transaction is grouped with others into a block. But before this block can be added to the chain, it needs to be verified. This is where the amazing happens. Miners, who are just individuals or entities with powerful computers, compete to solve complex mathematical problems. The first one to solve the problem gets to add the block to the chain and is rewarded for their effort. This process of competition and reward ensures that the transactions are valid and secure. Transparency is another cornerstone of blockchain. Every transaction that ever happens on the blockchain is visible to everyone on the network. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to cheat the system. But what about the data, you might ask? Well, once a block is added to the chain, the information it contains becomes virtually immutable or unchangeable. This is because altering any information would require changing all subsequent blocks, which is practically impossible. One more thing to note is the time it takes to confirm a block. On average, it takes about 1 hour. This duration may seem long, but remember, this is the price we pay for a system that offers unparalleled security and transparency. Now that we have a basic understanding of blockchain, let's explore how it could impact the finance industry. How can blockchain, a technology that underpins cryptocurrencies, change the world of finance? As we delve into the heart of our discussion, let's examine how blockchain could potentially revolutionize the finance industry. It's important to understand that blockchain's potential extends far beyond just being the backbone of cryptocurrencies. Its characteristics of decentralization, transparency, and immutability could provide solutions to current challenges in the finance industry. Let's start with payments and remittances. Today, international transactions can be slow and costly, often requiring intermediaries to ensure trust. Blockchain could streamline this process, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. By utilizing a shared, immutable ledger, blockchain could eliminate the need for intermediaries, allowing for direct peer-to-peer transactions. This could dramatically reduce costs and increase speed, particularly for cross-border transactions. Next, we move to asset management. Here, blockchain's transparency and immutability can play a significant role. Every transaction on a blockchain is traceable, making audits simpler and reducing the chances of fraud. Furthermore, the ability to tokenize assets on a blockchain could bring about a new era of asset management, making it easier to trade and own assets, from real estate to fine art. Identity verification is another area where blockchain could make a significant impact. Today, the process of verifying identities is often time-consuming and prone to error. Blockchain, with its ability to store and share encrypted data securely, could simplify this process, making it quicker, more accurate, and more secure. Now let's talk about smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute transactions when certain conditions are met, reducing the need for intermediaries and making transactions faster and more efficient. In finance, smart contracts could be used in various ways, from insurance claims to bond issuance. However, it's important to note that while blockchain holds great promise, it's not a silver bullet. The technology is still in its early stages, and it's not without its challenges. For instance, there are concerns about scalability, security, and regulatory issues that need to be addressed. It's also crucial to remember that adopting blockchain would require significant changes in existing systems and processes, which could be costly and time-consuming. The potential of blockchain in finance is vast, but it's not without its challenges. Blockchain promises a lot, but it's not a magic bullet. What are the challenges we need to overcome? As we delve deeper into the world of blockchain, it becomes clear that there are several challenges to be addressed. One of the most prominent hurdles is the regulatory landscape. Given the decentralized nature of blockchain, it's often difficult for governments and regulatory bodies to establish control. This ambiguity can create uncertainty and deter financial institutions from fully embracing this technology. Moreover, the technological limitations cannot be overlooked. While blockchain is indeed revolutionary, it's still in its nascent stages. Issues such as scalability, energy consumption, and interoperability with existing financial systems are significant hurdles that need to be overcome. Another concern is security. Despite the robustness of blockchain's design, it's not completely impervious to cyber threats. Remember the 51% attack? It's a potential vulnerability, where if a single entity gains control of the majority of the network's mining power, they could manipulate transactions. But let's not lose sight of the bigger picture. Despite these challenges, the future prospects of blockchain in finance are promising. The development of blockchain technology is ongoing, and each day brings new opportunities for its application within the finance sector. From cross-border payments to securities settlement, the potential is enormous. Imagine a world where transactions are settled in real time, without the need for intermediaries. Or consider the possibilities of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. These advancements could revolutionize the way we conduct financial transactions, providing greater efficiency, transparency, and cost savings. Furthermore, the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a testament to blockchain's potential. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial systems in a decentralized manner, offering services like lending, borrowing, and trading on a peer-to-peer basis. Blockchain is poised to play a significant role in the future of finance, but its journey is just beginning. As we move forward, it will be fascinating to see how these challenges are addressed and how blockchain continues to shape the financial landscape. So, where does this leave us regarding the future of finance and blockchain? Well, we've traveled through the intricacies of blockchain, its potential, and its challenges. We've seen how this technology, originally designed for cryptocurrencies, is now poised to disrupt the finance industry. Its ability to create transparent, secure, and efficient transactions could redefine how we manage and exchange value. We've touched on the transformative power of blockchain, from streamlining payments to revolutionizing asset management. We've also explored the hurdles that lay ahead, like the need for regulatory frameworks and the potential risks inherent in the technology itself. But most importantly, we've underscored the need for understanding and adapting to these changes. For businesses and individuals alike, being able to navigate this new landscape could mean the difference between staying afloat or being left behind. As we move forward, one thing is clear: blockchain holds the potential to redefine the financial landscape. Are you ready for the revolution?